Here's two things I hear during design critiques, and that is 1, your design feels empty, and 2, your design looks simple or minimal. And these comments basically mean the same thing. They're critiquing your use of negative space, but one is good and the other is bad. You can achieve good negative space using what is known as rhythm in design. These two graphics both use the same pieces of information, but by creating rhythm, you can make one feel more engaging than the other. This first example you might say is a bit boring, and what makes it boring is that the negative space surrounding each line of text feels repetitive. If you think of rhythm as you would in music, this design basically looks like what a metronome would sound like. And the main difference between a metronome and a song is that there's variation between each sound, otherwise known as a beat. If you were to treat your design as a song, you would use negative space to create variations in your work. By having a variety of small, medium, and large gaps between design elements, you can create contrast, which will make your use of negative space feel intentional rather than empty.